Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on managing your Clue account in the Google Classroom. For here, you've seen I've logged into my clue901.com email account, and I have a lot of emails. I don't even want all these emails from myself in my email box. It's too many to manage. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. You can go back to your original invitation at any time, click join and go back to your classroom. Or you can go up to what we call the waffle and click on Google Apps and go straight to the classroom. When you go to the classroom, you'll see your class. You can click on it. And there's a way you can change your settings so that you can decide how much of this ends up in your box for you to read. So I'm in my virtual classroom. I'm going to click on the three bars that are in the top left, and I'm going to click on settings. And in the settings, I can change my profile picture, which can be really fun. Doesn't have to be a picture of you. It can be a Bitmoji. It can be your favorite animal. It can be a blue circle, whatever you like, as long as it's appropriate. One of the things that we have here are a bunch of different emails you can receive. So you can get an email anytime you have a due date for an assignment, that you have returned work and feedback from your teachers, that someone mentions you in a comment. So you can keep this on and you can pick or choose the ones that are important to you, or you even have class notifications. You can turn those on and off, or you can just say, nope, I don't want any emails. And you can turn this toggle off. Once you do that, and you can go back to your classroom. Once you do that, all of these emails will stop being sent. Okay, so that is one way that you can turn off all of these emails that you probably don't need to receive, because everything that you need is going to be mentioned here in the stream. Or if you click up to classwork, you can track your progress here. Okay, these are the assignments. So they show up here. You don't have to have an email. Hope this helps clean up your inbox. Thanks for watching.